Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we will learn how to add headings in HTML page. HTML provides us with 6 different heading tags, H1 to H6, where H1 represents the most important heading and H6 represents the least important one. Let's try an example to understand these better. To create an H1 heading, you can just use H1 tag. So let's try that. Let's say I am a H1 heading. Let's save it. Let's run our live server. So right click, open with live server. And as you can see, in our web page, it's showing us I am a H1 heading. Similarly for H2, we can just write H2 and I am a H2 heading. Let's save it. Let's just minimize this a bit. And as you can see, it's showing I am a H2 heading. So it's showing our H2 heading as well. Similarly for H3, so I am a H3 heading. Let's save it. Similarly for H4, H5, and H6. Let's save it. And as you can see, on the web browser, it's printing all our headings with the different fonts. So H1 has the biggest font and H6 has the smallest font. That's all for headings, guys. Just a quick tip, guys. You can have as many heading tags as you want in an HTML page, but it is recommended to have only one H1 tag to represent the main heading. Think of it as every chapter in a book has one main heading. In our case, the website is a book and a web page is a chapter. That's all for today, guys. If there's something that you did not understand, feel free to drop a comment and we will discuss it. See you in the next video. Bye and take care.